Solve y minus 15 is equal to 3x, and 2x squared plus y squared is equal to 41. So here we use the substitution method. Start with the equation that's without the square. That is, y minus 15 is equal to 3x. And solve for variable. Avoid fraction as much as possible. So here, let's solve for y. So add 15 over. And we have y is equal to 3x plus 15. The second step is the other equation. 2x squared plus y squared is equal to 41. So take the answer from part 1, put into part 2. And we have 2x squared plus 3x plus 15 squared is equal to 41. So this is 2x squared plus 3x plus 15 times 3x plus 15 is equal to 41. Foil it out, so we have 2x squared plus 3x times 3x, so that is 9x squared. 3x times 15, 45x. 15 times 3x is 45x. 15 times 15 is 225, is equal to 41. Combine like terms. So here we have x squared with x squared, x with x. So 2x squared plus 9x squared, so that is 11x squared. And 45x plus 45x, so we have 90x plus 225 is equal to 41. Get 0 on one side, so minus 41 over. So this is 11x squared plus 90x plus 184 is equal to 0. So let's use the quadratic formula here. So here A is 11, B is 90, and C is 184. So x is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Plug them in. B is 90, so we have negative 90 plus minus the square root of 90 squared minus 4 times a, so that is 11 times c, so we have 184 all over 2 times a, so that is 2 times 11. So we have negative 90 plus minus the square root of, calculate the inside of the square root, and we end up with 4 over 22. So this is negative 90 plus minus 2 over 22. So we have x is equal to negative 90 plus 2 over 22. and x is equal to 90 minus 2 over 22. So negative 90 plus 2, so that is negative 88 over 22, which is negative 4. And negative 90 minus 2, that is negative 92 over 22. So we have negative 46 over 11. The third step, taking what we have in part 2 and put it into part 1. So from part 1, we have y is equal to 3x plus 15. The first one we have for x is negative 4. So we have y is equal to 3 times negative 4 plus 15. So this is negative 12 plus 15. So we have 3. So this is negative 4, 3. And then the other one, y is 3x plus 15. And the other one, x is negative 46 over 11. So this is 3 times negative 46 over 11 plus 15. So 3 times negative 46 over 11. So this is negative 138 over 11 plus 15. So we have 27 over 11. So this here is a point negative 46 over 11, 27 over 11. So there are 2 answers. Solve x times y is equal to 8 and x squared plus y squared is equal to 20. So again, substitution. Start with the equation that doesn't have the square. So xy is equal to 8 and solve for one of the 2 variables. Avoid fraction as possible, but for this problem here, we cannot avoid fraction. So just solve for a variable. Let's solve for x here. So divide out the y. So x is equal to 8 over y. The second step is the other equation. X squared plus y squared is equal to 20. So we take the answer in part 1, we put it into part 2. So we have 8 over y squared plus y squared is equal to 20. So this is 64 over y squared plus y squared is equal to 20. Get rid of fraction. So here we can multiply everything with y squared. So we have 64 over y squared times y squared, or y squared over 1, plus y squared times y squared is equal to 20 times y squared. So the first one here, y squared cancel out. So we have 64 plus y to the 4th is equal to 20y squared. Get everything to one side. So minus 20y squared over and arrange in the order of exponent. So we have y to the 4th minus 20y squared plus 64 is equal to 0. So here we have y to the fourth, y squared, no y. So this here we can factor. We need two numbers that multiply give us 64 and add give us negative 20. So we have negative 4 and negative 16. Since we have y to the fourth here, our factor is going to have y squared. So y squared minus 4 and y squared minus 16 is equal to 0. Y squared minus 4, we can factor more. This is the difference of squares. Y squared minus 16 is also the difference of squares. So factor more. So y squared minus 4. We have y squared is y times y. 4 is 2 times 2. 1 plus, 1 minus. And then we have y squared minus 16. So that is y squared is y times y. 16 is 4 times 4. 1 plus, 1 minus. And this is equal to 0. Set each group equal to 0 and solve. So we have y plus 2 equal to 0, minus 2 over, so y is negative 2. We have y minus 2 is equal to 0, add 2 over, so y is 2. And then we have y plus 4 is equal to 0, minus 4 over, so y is negative 4. And the last one, y minus 4 is equal to 0, add 4 over, so y is 4. So here, answers in part 2 here, we need to put it into part 1. In part 1, we have x is equal to 8 over y. So let's start with y is equal to negative 2. So we have x is equal to 8 over negative 2. So x is equal to negative 4. So we have negative 4, negative 2. And then let's do y is 2. So x is 8 over y. So this is 8 over 2, which is 4. So x is 4, y is 2. And we have x is 8 over y. This next one is y is negative 4. So 8 over negative 4, which is negative 2. So we have negative 2, y is negative 4. And the last one, y is 4. So we have 8 over 4, which is 2. So x is 2, y is 4. So there are 4 answers here.